you recommend anyone else trying something like this?
Yeah. I like climbing, definitely. Even if you don't like climbing, it's just like fun of it. I think you've got to really like the climb. For me, I couldn't just do it on any random hill. And this is like my favourite climb. Good morning, it's very early in the morning and welcome to my Everesting. This is Dove Stones, this is my favourite ever climb, and if I'm ever going to Everest, it's going to have to be this climb. Also as well, not only is this going to be an Everesting, I actually want to get the local legend on here as well, which is basically the person that has ridden this climb the most over the last 90 days, which is a Strava feature, and I'm just like, I want to get the local legend. So it means that I've got to ride it at least 20 times, and potentially, so this particular climb is going to be, how many reps? 27, I think. Okay. Oh. Right, I'm going to get the segment. Get back. Thank you. I don't think you'll be able to see me. My first lap. Just feeling excited, and I just love this climb. Proper nice clear night. So many stars over Dovies. I can't even feel my feet. It's like 1 degree. 3.5 hours in, a quarter of the elevation. Hey Phil.
You soon?
Hi Phil. This is like lap 11. Actually, it's a stretch. I've got to say a massive thank you to Romney's Cake, because they have sent me a load to fuel my Everesting, and they've actually sponsored this video. It's just a perfect fit, because the first ascent of Everest, which was in 1953, I think it's Edmund Hillary, sorry my brain's a little bit fuzzy, they took Romney's Kendal Mint Cake, and so I'm like, that's like the perfect thing. You know how much I love it. I have it on all my long rides. It's just the best fuel. And so yeah, thank you so much to them, and I might get a little bit of that now, but yeah. Well, that's true. I'm not fed up with it yet. I've only done, what's this, 13? I've estimated time-wise, and I'm about an hour 40 ahead of what I thought, but this is the first stop I've had. I've probably had one 10-minute stop, and this is like the first, well, this is probably 10 minutes as well, won't it?
You're ahead even without brakes, aren't you?
Yeah, you reckon?
Brilliant.
I think I'll need more breaks as the day goes on though, as I get more like knackered.
Give us a wave, Katie!
Five, 3, 4, 7. So I'm over half. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
So how many laps have you done then?
How many is that?
16.
Have I done 16? I think I need to do 26.
What time did you start this morning?
3 a.m.
There you go.
Can't
put that in.
You don't want it?
I'm alright too.
Are you sure?
Yes.
How are you feeling?
Feel good. It's a bit slow though. faster.
Bit faster, Lou.
It's getting chilly. So at lap 20, 28? I think it's 28. I thought it was 26 and 27. I don't even know. But yeah, this is going to be lap. Is this lap 20 or 21?
21 next.
Lap 21. We've done about how many meters? 6,600 meters or something. I feel okay, but I'm having a lot more breaks now. I don't know, at the start I didn't really need that many, but now I'm like, I just want a little break, sit on the floor. Here he is. Darren's come to see me. He's done one lap with me and he's eating my bagels.
I need to lie down. Hey? Spray it again.
So this is 23.
Yeah, when you're just going to complete.
So what, 5 left?
Yeah.
Not bad that, yeah.
Can do it.
I'm feeling good. You know them pops? I was saying it's like having my dad here.
These old bones.
And my brother. Family time. I was saying I think that the 200 that me and him did, 4,500 meters was harder than this. I even said I'd rather do this than that 400k, and he's like, you've got to be having a laugh.
This would do
Honestly,
my head.
I would.
This would break my head.
It hasn't though. Like I've not had music on. Like I don't know why it doesn't seem like it's. I don't know why. I've got 2 laps to go and it's raining and this thick fog so you can barely see in front of you. I'm just like, oh. I genuinely feel really good, but I'm just gutted that I can't just enjoy the last 2. Well, I can enjoy them, but it's just a little bit like a bit miz, innit? In rain. Because the weather has been phenomenal all day. So yeah, it's 8 o'clock at night now. So yeah, I reckon I'll be done for 9:30. Each one's taking me about 25-30 minutes. An hour. Yeah, maybe an hour 20. 8, yeah, maybe 9:30. So yeah, I'm feeling good. I've got to say that I've actually really enjoyed it. And I'm not fed up with this. I mean, I'll chat to you at the end, but yeah, I still love this climb so much. I love it. Do I look like a proper glowworm? Right, last 2 laps. Let's get them done. Right, so we're back where we started and I am delighted. The last lap stopped raining as well. Honestly, I still love this climb. Everyone was like, you're gonna hate it. Don't do it on a climb that you love so much, but honestly, I am so happy with that. I'm just proper made up. I've got to say as well, I'm going to do some like follow-up videos to this, but body feels fine. I feel really good. Yeah, very, very happy. So I just want to thank also again Romney's for fueling my ass up this climb, and also I want to say thanks to Strava as well, because they've also sponsored this video. And if it wasn't for Strava, I would never have found this climb, because it was when I first started cycling. I went on the Explore page, found it, I drove to the bottom of it, went up it once and was just amazed by it, and that was like the first climb that I ever really did. And I just kept going back. There's a video, I'm going to leave a video all about why I love this climb so much, but yeah, that's what got me fit, that's what got me just loving hills. So I just couldn't be happier. I'm so happy that I've done it. And if you've got any questions, I will be answering them in an upcoming video. So yeah, any questions you've got about this like challenge, and leave them in the comments. I've got to say thank you to everyone that came to support me today. So it was that definitely made it way more fun. And also Richard, who's holding the camera now, who has just been amazing. Sure, my bottles and stuff were all done, so thanks Rich. 28. That is it, one little road, 9,047 meters, baby. How did I get a QOM? Oh, actually, I am the overall local legend. Can you tell I'm very excited? I thought I'd just get the women's one. How did I manage that? I am made up. Honestly, this makes me so happy. Maybe that makes me really sad, but I just love it. I just love riding my bike, and I love looking at it on Strava. And I love that. I'm like, but I can't believe how did I get 29. That's what I wanted. Now I've Everested it. Now I'm a local legend. All I need to do now is get the QOM on it. I think I got some training to do.
You could have cleaned your windscreen.
Turning around here.
No point. What do you want to turn that way for?
I can't turn the other way.
Can't have that.
What the hell's that? You hear that? Can't hear it. Anyway. Do you see that sheep on the way now? I feel sorry for it. It's going to be there all night on its own. He couldn't get back to his friends.